Hi all, today we can see how we can do the page navigation in Power BI. So normally what we'll be doing is in menu bar we'll click on this insert option, and here under this button we'll use this left arrow mark, right, back, and this back button. We will be using these options to move from one page to other page. So it will take some time. It is some time consuming activity. So instead of that, what we can do is we can go to this button option, click on this navigator option. Here we can find the page navigator. So automatically there will be some slices here. So when we are clicking on the respective pages, like if you want to move from one page to other, so we can click like this and we can move on. So if you want to create here also that navigation button, we can go to button and click on this navigator, click on this page navigation. So it automatically represents this page to selection option here. Likewise, in third page also we can do the same. So instead of spending more time on this page navigator, there is a useful option which Power BI have provided us. We can use this option to create this page navigator buttons. Thank you all.